Morning guys, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you guys are new, please be sure to hit that sub button. This morning we are starting the day off at the Ballard Locks here in Ballard. So the locks is basically a form of way for boats to move from the sound into the bay. And what's really cool about this place is because of the locks that they built, salmon also use the lock to get from the salmon. The
fish ladder.
Okay. So they also have a fish ladder, and I don't think right now is salmon season or the time that they're actually traveling. So hopefully, if we're lucky, we get to see some salmon. Are you hungry, Zay, for some salmon?
Yeah.
Alright, a better explanation of why the locks are needed. The locks control the elevation of the lakes behind the locks. This allows vessels to move back and forth from one water elevation to another.
Yeah, so vessels enter the lock, the boats, the gates close. Through gravity, the locks drain the water, and when the water pressure on both sides of the gate, the downstream gates open, vessel exits. So it just allows them to go from one level of water to another level of water.
So
just think of the locks as a boat elevator. That's what they should just call this place.
Exactly.
The boat elevators.
So our vlogs are not only fun to watch, but they're also educational. And here's an example right now. So they started here, and now they're down there. So cool.
So little bum. The salmon ladder, it's closed. Closed for renovation. It actually was closed starting Monday. So we kind of just missed it by a couple days. But seeing the locks is cool. Oh, Zay has Dad's GoPro. Please don't lose that. So hopefully another boat comes by so we can see it again. Oh, another boat's coming. Okay, I'm gonna go over there with Zay.
Alright guys, so we have eaten, we've gotten boba, and now we've gotten coffee. So
we're gonna make one more food stop.
Yes.
And we missed the first two. We like
today's just been all food.
Did you say we got pizza?
No, I said we ate. So we got pizza.
We've been doing a lot of eating. We haven't been doing any recording.
We're just too into it.
On Instagram.
You know we love food.
I posted some of it on there. You know, Jonathan can add my handle up here somewhere so y'all can follow us there for the future. I post a lot of food things.
Zayanna and our
but we're gonna make one more food stop. We got coffee, he said. We
Cafe
got boba.
Vita.
The boba spot was hella cute.
Yeah,
but the girls,
only reason why we went there
was nobody in there,
aesthetics.
so the girls were going a little bonkers, so we just couldn't vlog.
Yeah.
We're gonna make one more food stop.
One more?
Yeah, one more.
Alright.
And we're in a neighborhood that, so basically today we're just like going around some neighborhoods that we've never really been to before. Like right now we're in Capitol Hill. And Zay really likes it here because it matches her rainbow shirt. They have rainbow sidewalks. Oh, we're gonna turn here. I know, we'll take a picture there later. She wants to take pictures at every rainbow sidewalk. Look at this wall, Zay.
We should take pictures here too.
Oh, but we just found, oh, look at this wall.
But basically, we are in Capitol Hill right now, and most of the things that we want to do here require taking photos for our gram, because somebody over here wanted to take pictures of the sidewalk. You know, that boba place had aesthetic.
Well, it's not raining today, so I wanted to do things where we could walk around in the different
that are outdoors. Okay. But yeah, let's check out where she wants to bring us now, because we haven't eaten enough today. Just kidding. So the place that Zayanna actually wanted to bring us is actually closed. So there are the rainbow sidewalks that are here in the intersections, and Zayanna wants to take pictures of those, and because she's wearing her rainbow sweatshirt, it's perfect. So we're gonna take some photos, and we're gonna just have to show you guys dinner instead.
Oi, stick to me!
We're trying to make it home before she falls asleep.
4 minutes till we get home. Wake up!
Open your eyes, babe.
We're gonna nap when we get home. You need to stay awake.
Oi. Oi.
Goodness, girl.
She can't even open her eyes.
Come here, buddy.
Oh. Oh, there she is.
Oh my gosh, we're just so close, Leah. Oh, is she awake? There she is.
I'm trying to keep her awake.
I know, we're trying so hard to keep her awake. The last couple days, yesterday they napped in the car, and we just like hung out in the car for like an hour and a half while they napped. But today, you know, because it's a super chill day and we just ate all day basically, we decided we're gonna go home for nap time before we go back out for dinner. It's probably gonna rain later tonight, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. So we'll see what else we end up doing, but for sure, I promise we'll show you dinner. Dinner will be pretty. Dinner will be pretty. I'm really excited for dinner.
Alright guys, so mom is trying to put the girls to sleep now, and just like the sign behind me says, is I need a coffee the size of my butt, and heated up my coffee, got that. I am deciding to work / edit / fly my drone while the girls take a nap. So I'm gonna take advantage of this patio area that our Airbnb has. Let's see. Oh god, I just let in a bee. Shoot. Let's see. How do I... Okay, can you go outside, bee? Great. Cover it. God, really? All because I'm vlogging, really. But hopefully I can just catch it and set it outside. Oh god, he's angry. Oh god. Okay, didn't think this through, so I'm gonna put you guys down so I can get rid of this guy. That was a fun couple minutes there, but like I was saying, I'm gonna be working outside, playing with my drone and editing the vlog for a little bit while the girls are taking a nap, trying to enjoy the sun that we get, that we have right now before it rains tomorrow. But God, it's so peaceful out here. The freeway, you can see the freeway. I don't know if the freeway's back there, and we are literally maybe, let me put you guys down. We're about 15 minutes away from downtown Seattle, and we actually were thinking about, you know, staying downtown just because it's a lot easier to get around. We wouldn't need a car. Usually we take the public transportation from the airport to Seattle. But yeah, like this being 15 minutes away from downtown, it gave us so much more space. It actually ended up being like $200 cheaper. So yeah, all this nice stuff, it was actually cheaper than staying in town. So that was really cool, and something that I'm gonna really miss when we're back home. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working for a little bit and hopefully be a little productive.
What thing?
That one.
Is that in our book?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't remember if it's in your book.
Gasworks Park? This
But
is Gasworks Park.
we decided to make one more stop today before the rain really comes down. It's starting to drizzle.
Yeah.
We gotta find more duckies.
No.
Maybe if we get closer to the water. But we have at our Airbnb, there's like a mural wall with different images of different sites in Seattle, and one of them is Gasworks Park. So we decided to bring her here because I said, which one of these things do you want to see? And she said this. That's why she's like, oh, that's my thing. Where have you seen this before?
Somebody's climbing up the tree.
Oh my goodness. Look, look, look. Wow. So we're on the hunt for ducks. But right behind me, we're walking right next to...
We have a duck right behind you.
Yeah, we have a duck right behind us. But I guess it's called Gasworks Park because it's the old site of the gasification plant. At least that's what I read. Not really sure what that means, but it's really cool because there's a pretty view here too, other than the old plant.
Yes, that's probably why we like coming here, because the view. Oh,
Yeah, we're all about the views. Oh,
those are geese.
those are geese, not ducks. What? Do those look like the ducks? Oh my god. What are you doing? She's got her pretend binoculars looking for the ducks. What do you see over there in the distance, eh?
What do you see over there?
Over
Across
here.
the water.
Over here, Zay, look. Across the water. This way.
At the hood?
No, across the water. What do you see, Leah?
What do you see? Space
No,
needle.
do that.
You see the space needle?
At the hood.
Oh, she found it.
You found it?
What'd you find?
Look at the hood.
What is it?
It's a space needle.
That's right. This chick is obsessed with the space needle.
I my binoculars.
Your binoculars.
With this.
I know. Good job. You saw it,
We
huh?
went there, remember?
Uh-huh.
When we went up,
Uh-huh.
and that guy is talking, remember?
Yep, I remember. The guy was talking. So here's the view from the top.
Beautiful. You like it, Leah?
Wow,
quack.
all
Okay.
they care about are the ducks. At least we finally saw some in person.
Seriously. You like the quack quacks?
Quack, quack.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, battling with Zaya. Alright guys, so we had to leave the park because it started to rain a lot harder. But Zayanna wanted to tell us something. What's that?
We went there.
You went there? Yeah, so if almost,
Oh,
I think almost everywhere on this wall we went to.
Everywhere.
I said almost.
Ice cream in here.
I don't think so, Zaya.
That's ice cream, see?
Yeah, Zaya said, there goes ice cream right there. And there is. Yeah.
As promised,
Yes. We have our food.
show you our dinner. So I found this place on Instagram also. What I do to find these
everywhere.
places, I do like hashtag, you know how you could follow hashtags on Instagram? I followed hashtag Seattle Eats and this came up. It's called, this place was called Fremont Bowl and it was a neighborhood next to the neighborhood we're staying at. We're in
Smells
Wallingford, something like that. And this was in Fremont. But basically we got a bowl of short ribs and shirashi.
Shirashi.
It's like all
Like
just
sushi.
raw meat.
Yeah, raw
Wanna
meat.
see, guys? Here. Shirashi.
Shirashi and the short,
Short
ribs.
ribs.
And it has some sort of spice on
Yeah.
top too. That looks so good.
Smells amazing.
But yeah, if you
We
guys
didn't
made
want to
it,
get 2 fishes
Mhm.
because Jonathan was worried he wasn't gonna get full.
yeah. But yeah, so if you guys made it
and
this far,
Zayanna wants you to know that she's eating the leftover adobo and miso soup.
yes. So if you guys made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Please be sure to drop us a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you made it this far, comment sushi. And you guys, we'll see you guys when we're back in the bay. Bye.